that probably take him.
Yo, I decided to make two parts to this video just because it went way longer than I suspected I would, and that's okay. So I split it up into two parts. The first part's the front of the test review. This side's the back, or this video is the back side of that test review. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Again, I hope this helps. So we're going to start with the back, number 8. Alright. So for number 8, graph this function and then write it as a piecewise function. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig in. Alright, so for the piecewise function, here's what we got. We need to, this is already a negative function. Alright, so we're going to solve it as a negative function. Alright, and when we do that, we need to distribute the negative 2, so that's negative 2x minus 2 minus 3. And when you simplify that, you get negative 2x minus 5. Alright, so there's one equation. Next, we need to solve this, but without the negative right here. So I'm going to write it right here, 2 times x plus 1 minus 3. Alright, because it's absolute value. Alright, so we need to solve it, 1 positive, 1 negative. So when we distribute this 2, alright, it gives us 2x minus 1. Alright, there's the other equation. Alright. Now, using this, we're going to put our vertex on here real quick. Our vertex is at negative 1, negative 3. So 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 3. Right there, there's our vertex. And it opens down because of the negative right here. So we have 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Alright. Bad spot. There we go, right there. So we will connect right there and right there. Now, let's see what we got now. Oh, we need the x value for our vertex, which is negative 1. Alright, and then everything that goes this way to the right is going to be greater than negative 1, and everything that goes that way to the left is going to be less than negative 1. Alright, so those are our conditions. So when we make our piecewise function, we have our two functions. Alright, we have our two functions, and now all we got to do is decide which condition goes with what. So when you look to the right here, so notice how the y-intercept right here is at negative 5. Well, see, this function right here has a y-intercept of negative 5. Alright, that side right there, x is greater than negative 1, goes with that condition because they're to the right of the vertex. This is to the right of the vertex, that's to the right of the vertex. So x is greater than negative 1, which means that side, x is less than negative 1, goes with the other function. Alright, and now all we got to do is add an equal to sign, and there's our piecewise function right there. Now, use the graph below to evaluate f of negative 2. Well, let's see, negative 1, negative 2. There's our y value. Alright, notice right here we have x. X is negative 2. We got to find the y value or the function. Alright, well, 1, 2, negative 2, up 2. So f of negative 2 equals 2. And then f of 0, we have our x value. We need to find our y value. So at 0, x is 0, negative 1. So f of 0 is negative 1. Now over here, is 4, negative 5 a solution of this piecewise function? Well, look at the x value. Alright, look at the x value. And ask yourself, is x less than or equal to 4? Or excuse me, is x less than 4? Or is x greater than or equal to 4? Well, in this case, F4 is greater than or equal to 4. So we plug it in right here. All right. So you have -2. Well, I'm going to do it like this, F of 4. All right. -2 times 4 equals -8. So F of 4 is -8. Based off this, though, they wanted to see if we get -5, and we do not. All right, this don't match up. So this is not a solution. All right, that's not a solution of that function, okay? All right, let's continue. What is the vertex of the following, and does it open up or down? Let's see here. The vertex H and K, the vertex is going to be -9, -5, and it opens down. Alright, and the reason it opens down is because of the negative right there. Alright, because that negative, this function opens down. Now, let's see. Alright, this graph, alright, number 12, opens down. The vertex is going to be -2, 3. Alright, it's right there. The transformations are going to be left 2, up 3, and reflect across the x-axis. X-axis, there we go. The intercepts are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so we have -5, 0. We have 1, 0, and for the y-intercept we have 1, 0. 0, 1, excuse me. My zeros are going to be x equals -5 and x equals 1. My angles of increase and decrease. We have, this is an increase from left to right, that's an increase. So we have -infinity to -2. And the decrease is going to be -2 to positive infinity. And well, I think that is the whole side. Yep, that's it. That's it. So now that we have finally finished the test review, I really hope you use this to prepare for Tuesday's test. Hopefully it helps you. Study, 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 and I will catch you later.